Hey guys, Matt with Alligator Performance, and today we'll be installing our very first product on Operation Snowflake for the Alligator Performance truck build. These are the Aries Automotive Styleguard XD floor liners. They aren't your typical plastic floor liner that tend to be pretty slick when wet, especially after a fresh detail. These Aries liners are constructed with 3 layers: a thermoplastic rubber top, layered XPE foam, which adds comfort and acts as a sound dampener for road noise, and their patented OmniGrip Fiber base. These floor liners are flexible, lightweight, and are laser measured for a perfect fit. Make sure you continue to follow this build on our YouTube channel, along with our Facebook and Instagram pages, as we continue to add parts leading up to the Alligator Live Build, showcasing at the 2019 Ultimate Callout Challenge event.